up here. It lost its brakes. And that truck that you see cut around the corner right there blocked them from going off the, blocked him from taking the runaway ramp. Selfish truck driver.